Hey everyone! The AI world just took a giant leap forward. OpenAI officially launched GPT-5 on August 7, 2025, and it's being called the smartest, most advanced AI model yet. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about GPT-5, what it is, how it works, key features, who it's for, and what the future holds. Whether you're a business professional, student, creator, or tech lover, this video is for you. Let's get started. GPT-5 is OpenAI's latest language model that replaces previous versions like GPT-4o and 4.5 with a single powerful AI. What makes it stand out? GPT-5 can process multiple types of inputs at once: text, images, audio, and video in a single conversation. This is called multimodal ability. OpenAI claims GPT-5 operates at a PhD-level intelligence, meaning it can reason, analyze, and create like a highly educated expert. Under the hood, GPT-5 uses a real-time router that dynamically switches between different specialized models depending on your query. For simple questions, it picks a faster, lightweight model. For complex reasoning, it switches to a deeper, more powerful model, all seamlessly in the background. This lets GPT-5 balance speed and accuracy better than ever. The context window, basically the amount of info it remembers, is huge, letting you have long, detailed conversations without losing track. Let's break down GPT-5's major features. Multimodal inputs. You can chat using text, share images, play audio clips, or even videos. And GPT-5 understands them all together. For example, you could send a video and ask, "What's happening here?" or "Summarize this scene." Massive context window. GPT-5 remembers everything from your conversation, across sessions if needed, so it can build on earlier info and keep context alive. Mini models. OpenAI launched smaller versions, GPT-5 Mini and GPT-5 Nano, designed for quick, low-cost tasks via API. Better reasoning and creativity. It writes more natural text, solves harder problems, generates realistic images from descriptions, and even helps with complex math or coding tasks. Now let's talk about who GPT-5 is for. Business professionals can automate emails, reports, and customer support. Use GPT-5 to analyze data, generate marketing copy, or even plan projects. Students get smarter homework help, essay feedback, research summaries, and personalized study plans. Creators, from YouTubers to writers, GPT-5 can help brainstorm ideas, draft scripts, captions, and generate artwork or music inspiration. Developers and techies. GPT-5 powers tools like GitHub Copilot for writing and debugging code, creating documentation, or generating software designs. GPT-5 is already integrated into products millions use daily. Microsoft's Office 365 apps like Word and Excel now feature GPT-5-powered Copilot, making tasks faster and smarter. Businesses leverage GPT-5 through Azure APIs to automate customer service, content creation, and data analysis. With over 700 million weekly users accessing GPT-5-powered tools, its impact is massive. However, GPT-5 isn't perfect. Early users say it's more of an evolutionary step than a revolutionary one. It still makes mistakes, like the viral chart crime during the launch. Some factual errors, spelling mistakes, and weird responses have popped up, reminding us that AI still needs human oversight. GPT-5 marks a big step in AI development, but it's just the start. OpenAI plans continuous updates and improvements, aiming for even smarter, safer, and more versatile AI systems. As AI gets more capable, it will reshape how we work, learn, create, and solve problems. Staying informed and adapting your skills will be key to thriving in this new AI-driven world. So what's the first thing you want to ask GPT-5? A joke, an essay, code help, or something crazy? Drop your ideas in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe.